In our recent visit to Baguio City, we stayed sa Hotel Vivo and we must say we are happy customers of this hotel dahil mababa lang naman ang room rates nila. May kasama ng breakfast and malapit lang ito sa mga tourist spots. Short walk lang ito sa Burnham Park, Good Taste at Foam Coffee. Ang Hotel Vivo ay nasa Legarda Street. Katapat nito ang Karma Resto Bar at ilan pang mga kainan. May parking ang hotel na to front side ng building at meron pang additional parking sa basement nila. Ito ang kanilang reception area kung saan nandun na rin ang kanilang sariling restaurant or pantry. Approved naman sa amin ang mga breakfast nila. Nagustuhan namin ang tapsilog at long silog nila. So tara, sakay tayo elevator para mabigyan na namin kayo ng room tour. Hindi kataasan ng building na to, having only 5 floors. We stayed at the 3rd floor. Ito yung room. May 2 double beds with simple white linens and pillows. Nothing fancy pero malinis. Yun naman ang importante, lalo na madalas naman kaming nasa pasyalan habang nandito kami sa Baguio. Ito naman ang shower room. Tamang-tama lang yung laki niya para maging komportable sa paliligo at ano pang toilet business we normally have to do. The rainfall shower and its heater functioned well. Yung heated mirror, bidet, and flush also did not have any issues. Hotel Vivo provides the usual freebies tulad ng toothpaste, toothbrush, mineral water, and hot water in a thermos at mga kape. Meron ding free sleepers at free use of towels, clothes hangers, safety box, and they even have a refrigerator. Yung rooms na nabigay sa amin, room 307 and 309 have air-conditioned units pero naka-turn off. Mag-add daw kami ng 200 pesos kung gusto namin ng aircon. Siyempre hindi na kami nag-aircon kasi ang lamig dito in January. Ang lowest temperature we had was 14 degrees and mataas na yung 18 degrees during nighttime when we would be sleeping. This is a spacious and comfortable room. Maliit lang yung TV pero okay lang. We rarely use the TV during our trip. Convenient din na well-placed ang electrical outlets where you need them. Sa tabi ng bed, malapit sa table at meron pa sa CR. The light switches were not remote controlled pero at least nasa tabi rin ng bed. Merong malaking glass window ang rooms with 2 layers of blinds. Tanaw namin ng SM Baguio pero kung naghahanap kayo ng room with a mesmerizing view na walang structures na nakaharang, you can ask their agents for other rooms to book you in. Pero sa aming pamilya, okay na ang ganitong hotel. Anyway, the best views in Baguio are out there when you tour the city. Accessible ang mga tourist spots from this area, madaling makakuha ng taxi at hindi rin kamahalan ng rates. For example, taxi from here to Lourdes Grotto or Mirador, 90 pesos. Going to Oh My Gulay, 72 pesos. Kahit plated lang ang breakfast nila, sakto naman ang serving size. We were lucky and thankful that they even converted our complimentary meal to buffet on a Sunday morning. We highly recommend this as a good stay for a budget hotel because it is clean, provides all necessities, and being in a great location.
Thank you to the friendly staff of Vivo Hotel.
And that completes our review of the Vivo Hotel here in Baguio. Thank you for watching. See you on our next vlog. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.